Welcome to Utter Chaos. We bring you to a world full of madness and uncertainty. Today, you are going to watch the most epic bike chase on the internet. All we can say is that this police officer was lucky. Police kept hitting this car to stop it, but the daredevil did not. He is the real transporter who managed to give the illegal migrants a taste of U.S. soil while police were behind and ran away cleverly. Occasionally, a small vehicle can come in handy for escaping. All this and much more. You will witness utter chaos today. Most of the suspects do all their best to avoid arrest, but this one went too far. It was a rainy day. The vehicle lost control, and it went over an overpass.
It went over the overpass. Go ahead and notify EMS.
It turns out a 15-year-old smuggler was driving it. Everyone sustained minor injuries, but the situation could have been worse.
Who else is in there?
My friend!
How many?
Police often jump into trouble, but this was a peaceful day. A policeman was questioning a car driver on a highway. Suddenly, he saw a car drifting towards him. The police officer quickly assessed the situation and attempted to run, but the vehicle nearly collided with him. If you pay close attention to where he was standing, you will say this police officer has got a new life. If you missed something, watch this slow-mo. Whenever the history of the police pursuit is written, this bike chase will be on the cover. It is so epic that you feel you are watching a movie or playing GTA 10. There are numerous slow-motion scenes, jumps and tight turns, leading you to believe that the policeman has almost caught you. It lasted for 5 minutes. The policeman was as skilled as the escapees, but there's a surprise in the end. If you live in Texas, you may have witnessed such police pursuits. But this daredevil is no ordinary. He bailed out the illegal immigrants one by one while the police were right behind his vehicle.
We got one.
We have a second up.
It looks like he has been doing this for years. During the chase, the police had no intention of harming the people the driver left behind, but the driver took advantage of the situation. At this moment, he may have opened the door to trick the police into thinking someone was coming out, but no one emerged from the vehicle. The cunning devil, having drowned his vehicle in the Rio Grande River between the U.S. and Mexico border, swims away from the open door. Running away from police on skateboards and scooters looks pretty cool in movies, but in reality, you can't go far. In a few minutes, the police arrested this suspect.
Still northbound on east side.
In the last minutes, it turns out that you can't blame Scooter only. His large tummy speaks a lot. Pay close attention to the speed meter as you embark on a thrilling high-speed chase. During the chase, speeds exceeded 120 miles per hour. On February 7th, 2024, at around 5:13 p.m., many Tontitown Police Department officers assisted various other agencies in a high-speed chase as it reached Tontitown's municipal borders. Locust Grove is a town about 56 miles west of Tontitown. It was the Locust Grove Police Department who started chasing the driver of a supposedly stolen U-Haul cargo van eastbound on U.S. Highway 412.
Copy eastbound Barrington, Tontitown 1 primary.
A Tontitown officer's tactical vehicle intervention TVI terminated the pursuit, despite the fact that the move caused the officer's car to roll many times before coming to a final rest.
No, not yet.
The officer was examined at a nearby hospital and discharged with minor injuries.
Anybody got some towels?
This video captures the same incident from a different police vehicle. The footage provides a clear picture of the extent of damage the suspect inflicted on police vehicles. This man was curiously looking at something when a policeman shouted from his vehicle.
Hey, watch out!
This gruesome scene appears to be the result of a neighborhood war, but in reality, it was caused by a house that had caught fire. This vehicle was also engulfed in flames by the fire. The van then rolls down a steep driveway.
Headquarters. Headquarters, this roll down the hill. Get
Police
back from
officers
it!
are attempting to follow the vehicle. He used an extinguisher to prevent the grass from burning into flames. People also joined him. A fire truck also arrived, and the team began their work immediately.
Get the stomping! House is good? Yeah. Okay.